Welcome back. Prime Minister Modi and US President-elect Joe Biden spoke yesterday in their first conversation since the 3rd November US election outcome. The Prime Minister warmly congratulated Joe Biden on his victory. Modi even tweeted saying that they discussed containment of COVID-19 pandemic, tackling climate change, cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region. Prime Minister Modi also extended his best wishes to Vice President-elect Kamala Harris, the first woman and also the first person of Indian-American origin to be elected in this position. Biden's office in a statement has acknowledged the conversation, adding that the president-elect looks forward to working closely with Modi on shared global challenges. It also mentions Biden's efforts to strengthen democracy home and abroad. Earlier, Modi had congratulated Biden and Harris on Twitter on 8th November when it became clear that the Democratic Party candidate was set to clinch the presidential election.
Prime Minister Modi and President-elect Biden had a very warm conversation. They discussed about the global strategic partnership which United States and India shares, and they also exchanged views on the Indo-Pacific area. Then they also discussed about the current problem which both United States, India and the world over is facing vis-a-vis the COVID. In that, the role of pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and particularly the vaccines.
Geeta Mohan is now joining us for the very latest on this development. Geeta, of course, needless to say, this is a courtesy phone call that has gone in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, what do you think about the kind of relationship that India is going to be sharing with the President-elect Joe Biden and, of course, the fact that now the Democratic president is in power, India and US? What is the kind of relationship that India will share with the US?
The conversations took place after the exchange of pleasantries on social media. The continuum between India and the United States of America when it comes to foreign policy is a given. No matter which president has come, we've only grown strength by strength. And that's the reason why, even in the first conversation that took place between the two leaders, they spoke about how they need to advance the comprehensive strategic partnership that exists between the two countries, and this even as the Malabar exercises are underway, which is an important aspect for the Indo-Pacific strategy that the two countries, including Australia and Japan, have devised. And so the conversations were about how to take the relationship forward. On the economic front, climate change is very, very dear to Joe Biden. So it's not just about how the two sides are going to take the ties forward. It's about also how they're going to rebalance the relationship.
Thanks so much, Geeta, for joining us for the very latest.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.